Hey guys, it's Mike Spoken A here, and hope you guys enjoyed that little intro. And big thanks to women that made it for me. I love it. It's an intro, it's something, and we are gonna continue some Venture Kid. I am going to die horribly. Let's continue though. Let's go. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Map. Shop. Items. Yes, I can buy. Let's buy life. I can only go to the shop when I'm off the map. When I'm in the map, or whatever. Not in the level though. Oh god. Oh god. Whoa! Just love all the music in Venture Kid. Brings back good times when I first played it. I actually should have bought fun. I actually should have bought some extra hearts. Ooh, I almost died. Nah, actually, I'll just do it off camera. Look, there's no life up there anymore. Cause it's hard, I don't really care. Cause I'm a beast at this game. Maybe not, but I don't care. I just think I'm beast at this game. Die, rat. Oh. Okay, rat's dead. Yep. Oh god, this is gonna be my nightmare. My nightmare right here. Even with extra life? Heck no. This would be impossible. This is gonna be impossible for me. Impossible! What? What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No way. No, 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 no. Da-na-na-na. Please don't trap me in more bubbles. I told you, don't trap me. Why can't I go to the freaking shop? Please let me go to the shop. Some bull. And I already got hit. Why do you keep putting bubbles? This is where he's gonna start putting bubbles. No way. Oh my. Whoa! Why? Freak this game, man. This is why it's called hard mode. Because it's freaking hard. No duh. I'm gonna have to collect a lot of more orbs now. Because I just wasted all of them on health and lives. What the heck was that lag? What the heck was that lag? Oh my god. No, no, no. Please give me a heart. Of course you won't. Oh my god. I remember this part. I'm not dumb enough to think I wouldn't forget that spot. My heart is beating. I don't want to lose this last life. Yes, thank you for that heart. You are so generous. I don't really care. Come on. Speed run! Speed run! Such speed run. Whatever. This is even longer than the normal, but oh yes. Yeah. I now have a big advantage. Now that I have 6 hearts. I wasn't even able to do this with 8. So what am I talking about? Big advantage. Oh my god. Why me? Oh. 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 No way. I do not want to get hit anymore. Too big of a fun risk. See what I tell you? These bubbles, these purple bubbles are freaking mess. Oh my god. If I can't do it with 6 hearts, I can't do it with 3. Can't. Yeet. Yeet. You just gotta yeet. Oh my god, how the heck did I survive? You don't even know how badly my heart is pumping. Oh my god. So happy. So happy that I beat this boss. Oh my god. I can't imagine what the last boss is gonna be. Oh my god, man. And this was just barely the second boss. That is insane. Anyways, subscribe and like for more gaming videos like these, or gaming videos with me raging. And yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Big props to Riemann for the intro. Peace, guys.